Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I created a gold eyeshadow look using my Natural Lust Too Faced eyeshadow palette. And as you can see on the center of my eyelid, I popped in some of this Stila Glitter Glow liquid eyeshadow. These are absolutely amazing. This just helped bring my look to the next level. The first shade I am going in with is Love Language, and I'm using my JH30, and this is a shade that's just a little bit darker than my skin tone, and I'm just blending this all over my crease. Next, I'm going to warmthen up my crease using the shade Afternoon Delight, which is a beautiful, warm mauve color. And I'm using the JH33, and I'm just focusing this shade right into my crease. I'm blending all over. My goal is just to really warmthen up that crease area. Next, I'm going to darken up my crease using the shade Set in Stone, and I am using the Morphe JH40. This brush is absolutely amazing. It is my ride or die, my top favorite. It is so perfect for blending out the smallest details and just really getting into that crease area. And this shade is just going to really help darken and define that crease area. Next, I am still going in with that shade Set in Stone, and I'm using my M433 blending brush by Morphe. This brush is wonderful, it's fluffy, it just gets right where you want to get, and I'm just really going to define my outer V area. I'm just going to really blend it in all over. I'm just really trying to give that outer V some definition, and then I'm going to go into my inner V, but the outer V is what's really going to help bring the look together. Next, I am still going in with that shade Set in Stone, but I am using the JH40, which is that perfect small precise blending brush to really get into my inner corner and blend out that shade. So I can create that halo effect with the darker outer corner and the darker inner corner. And this brush is just so perfect for getting into those precise areas and blending it out. And I'm just really gonna pick up a small amount of pigment because I don't want to be too over dramatic. You know, just gotta take it gradually, and then I just end up blending it up into my crease and out into the outer V. Then I am going in with the Morphe 124 brush using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and I am going to create that halo effect in my inner eyelid. Take this slow, go easy, but if you mess up, you can always fix it with some more eyeshadow. I mess up here, so don't worry if you mess up. You can always go back and fix it, but the main focus is to make sure that inner part of your eyelid right in the center is just lighter, and that you're bringing it up to the crease. And then of course, to make sure that you're going far enough, you're going to put a little bit down on your lash line and look up when you blink, and that's going to make a mark, and you're going to know where to put the concealer. And here I am fixing those edges using the JH33 in the shade Set in Stone. I'm just blending out those edges. There was too much concealer, too much of a halo effect, and I want to have a gradient light to dark shade. And then I'm going in with the JH41 with the shade Opsy-a-daisy. This is a beautiful gold color. It's more of a darker gold. And I'm just packing that right onto the concealer, right in the center of my eye to create that gold halo eyeshadow look. And then I go back in with my finger and pack it on. On the left eye, I really wish I would have packed on more, and then make sure that you're really putting the shimmer shade right at the eyeshadow, right at the eyelash base, so that way it has like that blinding effect when you look straight ahead. Then I'm going to bring this look to the next level using the Stila Glitter Glow liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma. The stuff is absolutely amazing. It's perfect, and it's just this beautiful wet glitter, and you apply it to the center, blend it out with a brush, and it goes on wet, it dries dry. It's super glittery, super pigmented, super blinding, beautiful, it lasts very long, and it just helps really bring this halo effect to the next level. And then to smoke out the bottom eyelid, I am using the JH43 and using the shade Set in Stone. And I'm just really packing this onto the bottom lash line and then blending it out. Then I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone with the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm using the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Summer Highlight shade. I then apply the Urban Decay Pre-Vision eyeliner to my bottom lash line, and then my top lash line I am applying the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. I then apply Lash Paradise L'Oreal Mascara, and then I go in with the Kiss Lashes in the number 652.